is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be another what I eat in a day video. These videos are good for those who are going to be transitioning into becoming a pescatarian, or those who have already transitioned, want to know like what can you eat now that you are a pescatarian. So for those of you that are new, my name is Yeda. Thanks for stopping by today's video. If you are not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you can join the Glammo squad. Be sure to hit that bell link. That way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. So let's go ahead and get the day started by making some breakfast. Alright y'all, so for breakfast I'm going to be making some whole wheat toast, some maple sausage, as well as 2 eggs and a side of avocado to make some avocado toast. Now the first thing, I'm going to go ahead and heat up my skillet. So I'm going to make the sausage first, and this is actually by the brand Morningstar, and they are maple flavor, which y'all, they are really good. So I'm going to go ahead and make 2 of those, and just by going off the package, if you cook the sausage on a stovetop, you want to cook it for 9 to 10 minutes. So while my sausage was cooking, I went ahead and made my wheat toast, buttered my pan, put some butter on the front of the bread and also the back of the bread. Now while both of those were still cooking, I went ahead and sliced open my avocado. And y'all, let's just talk about how green this avocado was once I opened it. Yes, look at that, it's so perfect. So I went ahead and sliced my avocado to put onto my plates. Okay, so now that my sausage is done, I'm going to go ahead and scramble my eggs. So I like to use butter to coat the pan, and then I'm going to go ahead and crack 2 eggs in the pan and add in some pepper. Alright, so now that the food is done, it's time to plate it up and make it look all nice and pretty for y'all. So the first thing I'm going to do is put down my eggs. Then I'm going to put down my 2 pieces of sausage. I'm going to add my toast to the plate. Then I'm going to add my avocados to the plate. And you gotta have a nice glass of orange juice or whatever type of juice you like to the side. And voila, that is my breakfast for this morning. Looks so good. Alright you guys, it's lunchtime, and for lunch we are making a barbecue tofu and spinach pizza. This pizza is super easy to make. All of the items that you see I picked up at Aldi except for the tofu and the barbecue sauce. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and press the excess water out of the tofu, and then go ahead and crumble it. Now this is your preference, so you can either crumble it or you can dice them. It's totally up to you, but I like to crumble mine. So once you have crumbled it, you want to go ahead and take your barbecue sauce and spread a little bit onto the meat. I don't do too much because I'll be putting the actual barbecue sauce onto the pita bread. So go ahead and stir that up like so. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and oil my pan up. By the way, this will go into the oven. So I went ahead and preheated the oven for 350. Put a little barbecue sauce and then go ahead and spread that around. Alright, so now for the cheese, go ahead and grab whatever type of cheese you like to put onto your pita bread. I like to use mozzarella, but you don't want to use too much because we'll be adding more once we add the rest of the ingredients. So we're now going to put a little bit of garlic, and you don't have to use garlic, but I like to use a little bit of garlic, not too much, but just to give it an extra little flavor. So I then add some spinach, and you can put as much spinach as you want. The more the better for me. Alright, so now you want to go ahead and add your tofu on top of the spinach. And again, you can put as much as you like. And lastly, go ahead and top it off with some more cheese. Alright, so it's time to pop it in the oven. You want to put it on 350 and you want to cook it for 12 minutes. Alright, so our pizza is all done, and I went ahead and topped it off with a little bit of cilantro, and then I went ahead and cut it into little pizza slices. Now to top it all off, I like to drizzle a little bit of ranch dressing onto my pizzas. Now this particular bottle, I thought it was more ranch in it than it was, so the drizzle didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to, but you get the picture. Alright, moving on to dinner time. Today on the menu, we are making some sweet and sour shrimp with broccoli on top of some whole grain rice. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut your broccoli into the size pieces that you like. Alright, so we're going to be roasting this broccoli in the air fryer today. So I'm going to go ahead and drizzle a little olive oil on it first. And I'm going to season it with black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, and garlic powder. Alright, you want to go ahead and pop the broccoli into the air fryer and cook it on 200 for 15 minutes. Alright, so while the broccoli is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and season my shrimp. I use olive oil first, then I'm going in with some Old Bay seasoning, some black pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, paprika, this Chipotle Southwest seasoning, and some parsley flakes. Alright, so now that our shrimp is cooked, I'm going in with this sweet and sour sauce that I picked up from Aldi. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit into the pan, not too much, just enough to coat the shrimp. Then I'm going to add my shrimp to it and toss it. You guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all of the meals that I have made for you on today. They were so yummy and they looked good as well, so be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that bell link, that way you are notified every single time I post a new video. If you guys want to see more videos like these, go ahead and comment right now down below. Also comment, let me know whether the breakfast, lunch, or dinner is, if it's something that you would try. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.